friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some vocal warm-ups to release tongue and jaw tension. Adverse tension in the throat and jaw and tongue can really impact singing, so let's do some exploration and some vocal exercises. Alignment is vital to singing well so that we can have a sturdy but relaxed instrument. Take a few natural breaths and sigh out. Do a quick body scan to look for and release any tension that isn't needed, with extra attention today to the neck, jaw, and tongue. We're going to start today by vibrating the lips, like a lip trill with no tone, just air. This exercise allows us to have breath engagement while also staying relaxed. So keep working on this if it's hard for you. Try it a couple more times. Our goal is not to have a big sputter at the beginning. With that sense of airflow, let's add pitch and sing. Now, if you need to switch to a tongue trill or a gentle hum, you can do that instead. Here we go. Say the word sing. Sing. We're going to use that ningee sound at the end for the next vocal exercise. To avoid excess tension, I'd recommend leaving the mouth open a bit, like rather than Remember that air goes through the nose on this exercise. We're going to glide like explore a few gentle sighs now. We want our singing to feel a little bit more like sighing. Keep it really easy. Again. And notice with curiosity what moves and what doesn't move when we sigh out. Now we're going to add a slight chewing motion to the sigh. This helps us understand that moving the jaw and the tongue are independent of the pitch. Now, allowing the face to lift and the jaw to swing freely, let's sing on ah, like ma 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 ma. With that same feeling of ease, let's just focus on moving the tip of the tongue as we sing on loo lee loo, like loo lee loo lee loo lee loo lee loo, loo lee loo lee loo lee loo lee loo, loo lee loo lee loo lee loo lee loo, loo lee loo lee loo lee loo lee loo, loo lee loo lee loo lee loo. further, I wanted to make sure that you know about my Vocal Warmup app called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. It's available for all mobile platforms, it's super easy to use, and has a ton of my best vocal warm-up exercises. The links are below. Thank you for your support. We know that sometimes our tongue likes to help us in ways that aren't always helpful. This next exercise might feel a little bit odd, but it's great. Go ahead and stick out your tongue. Just a little bit over your lower lip and let it sit there. It's important that it's not bunching up or pulling back. That's specifically what we're trying to avoid with this exercise. If that's hard for you, you can gently hold your tongue out of your mouth with a lint-free cloth. In this relaxed position, we can try singing just about anything. Today we're going to sing on an interval of a fifth and then descend on a pentascale. Our goal is to make sure we're avoiding any excess tension. The exercise looks and sounds like this. You might want to breathe through your nose on this one, but do whatever feels most comfortable. Here we go. Continuing now with the idea of keeping the jaw and tongue relaxed and well coordinated, we're going to sing on Fa-E. The pattern is Fa-I-I-I-I. The tongue and the jaw move together, and we're singing two distinct vowels, Fa and E, not Fi-I-I. Here we go. Fi-I-I-I-I. Now let's take this relaxation into a little bit more of a challenging feat. Let's sing Flah, Flah, ningee, ningee, nee on the following pattern. Flah, Flah, ningee, ningee, nee. 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 Keep your focus on a relaxed sighing feeling as we descend on the sounds Thoh, E, O. We want those sounds to glide together like Thoh, E, O. 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 Though, 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 E Thoh, we're going to move to a full octave arpeggio on va. We'll sing va, 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 va. Here we go. Va, 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 va. Va, 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 va. Va, 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 va. 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 Va, 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. I hope you're feeling warmed up and ready to go. I appreciate your support when you like and subscribe and comment and tell a friend. It really means a lot to me and my channel. I also hope you'll check out my app, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. Links to that are below. Let's do it again soon.